Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, as they say, social media never forgets. The internet never forgets, guys. They always know, they always find out. So Lebo Kheswa, who is Latoya McKenna's ex-wife. So as we know her that they broke up, and she was on a breakup tour. She is just sharing her story, sharing her experiences. She shared a lot of things. She even now has a podcast that is starting next month. Guys, people on the internet went on to search pictures of Lebo Kheswa before, So guys, she used to be that girl with high hopes. Like, look at the style, guys. Look at the style, It's giving businesswoman. It's giving I'm serious about my life. Don't mess with me. So the picture on the left is the before, and on the right it's the after, So this is her before and after, and people on social media have been saying that they prefer the before more than the after, guys. They're saying, like, what happened? But guys, people have the right and the choice to choose who they want to be. We really can't judge them, and it's her personal choice, man, guys. Look at this body. Hey guys, flat stomach all the way, flat stomach and bikinis. It's giving vacation. Hey, yes guys, these are pictures of Lebo Kheswa. These pictures were all over Facebook, and I thought, let me just share these pictures on Facebook. Please let me know in the comment section, what do you think of these pictures?